All right, today we're gonna bring some kids headphones, and these are 75 to 85 decibels, all right? So they don't go high, but you could control some of the actual features in here if you wanna turn them even lower. If you guys see 74 to 85, all right? So you could change it from each way. Now, one of the great things I like about it is that they have the little bump here, but it's really for nothing. It just tells you what side they go on. If you guys can see, there's an actual L there. That means it's gonna be left. So if they don't know which one it is, it's highlighted right there. And of course, these are 3.5 jack and very flexible. You guys can see that. Perfect for kids of all ages, 3 and up. Foam on the top, if you guys can see that. Foam all around the ears, very protective. Not only can you use them for hearing and listening, but you can actually put them for concerts. So if it's too high for them, you could put these on for your noise cancellation. These are perfect. They're stretchable, they're flexible, easy for kids from 3+ and all ages. So hope you guys enjoyed the video.